To add staff to your Smart Manager account, go to Staff. Before we add our first member of staff, we need to familiarise ourselves with the different job roles. Before you add your first member of staff, you need to be aware of what the different permission levels are for users within the software. If you go to the roles and permissions information in the top right hand corner, you will see there's different roles that can be assigned to users when you add them to the software. Depending on the role you assign a user, they will be limited in what they can edit and add to the software. So for example, if we choose Inspector as a role, the Inspector can only see sites that they're assigned to, and they can view reports for those sites, and they'll be able to complete inspections through the software. They won't be able to add or edit sites, staff, customers, etc. So you can limit what users can do within the software. Whereas a regional manager can do pretty much everything in the software for the sites and the depots that they're assigned to. And then the top level is admin. They can do everything on all sites and all depots. Once you're happy you know which role your staff member needs to be, click Add Staff. Choose your staff member's name, choose their role within the company, whether or not they can edit their own works, this is to do with variations only, which depot they're going to be assigned to, their email address, this is what they'll use to actually log into the software, so it needs to be a valid email address. Phone number, and then their password. Okay, once you've added the passwords, hit save. You can now go forward and assign that member of staff to different sites, and they'll be able to log into the apps and to the console using those login details. If at any stage you need to edit a staff member, simply click the pencil icon and make the changes required. You can also delete their account here as well if you need to remove them from the system altogether. If you ever need to reinstate a deleted member of staff, you can click Show Deleted Staff and you'll be able to reopen any of the deleted accounts that have been kept hidden on the software.